Okay, vacuum died. Let's have a look. It's not coming back to life. I'm parting it out. Every time it's really getting old, and I've riveted it together, and I just opened this back door and another clamp cracked. So it's going away, baby. Yes, I'm going to try and save the motor. So just give me a minute here. A little bit of an odd angle. No, it's all super secret stuff. There we go. Okay. We don't have to be gentle. I want the motor, that's all. Totally all just snaps together, eh? No screws in there either. I'm going to put some gloves on. And maybe a little bit of protection. Well, it's not a very big motor. It's you can see it there. But I'm going to get it out just to see. All I'm worried about is an on and an off switch. I can't believe this is a Kenmore too, eh? There we go. We get the filter out. Liner. Don't have to be gentle when you're. Okay, I feel like Snobby. Snobby Scrap Picker over in the UK. Go to his channel, it's a lot of fun. Him and his wife, Dusty, that's what she calls hers. And, how am I doing, Snobby? Hey, hey! Well, I don't care about the rest of these wires. So we got a red from the extension cord. We'll just do that properly. We got a white from the extension cord. We'll do that properly. And then all we have on the motor is a white and a black. Now, do I want the cord? No. That's it. This is actually easier to take apart than I thought it was going to be. I might keep this depending on how strong the motor is, right? Cooling fins. So now, oh, that's just a mount. So what? Oh, the fins are still inside there. Cool! Okay. So now we're just going to make it run. Are you guys with me? I think you are. Yep. Okay, it should turn and flop. I thought that motor would be bigger than that because it actually makes the light flicker in the house. Just looking where the fins are. You can see them in there. Okay, I need an extension cord. I need something simple. This'll do it. Good. You guys are with me now, eh? All we need to do is have a hot and a neutral. I wonder what's hot. I bet you black is hot. Doesn't matter. Are you ready? Is it strong enough for me to use? I don't think so. It's not that big a motor. I thought it might be just big enough to make a little grinder out of it. Jumped right out of its connection. I don't know if it's worth keeping or not, you guys. But there, that's how you get a vacuum motor out. Now I gotta find a place to put all this junk. So I don't think we can recycle the plastic on this guy. But we can recycle the copper to a level, right? Ah, showing its age. Watch your face. Good. Let's just check this. It's only a 2-wire. It's really no good for anything, eh? I have enough crap already down here, so. I don't even think the wheels are worth keeping, guys. Okay. A little bit more. This piece might be okay. No, we got 2 of them. Okay, this is definitely wrecked. There's a little metal in it, eh? I'll put that in the metal recycle bin. That's just garbage, handle pieces. Now, what about the sweeper? I'm just going to chuck it. It's just worn out. Alright, another junk.